There he goes. Okay. WUGUI. Okay. Let's just look at his combos. Oh, it doesn't even work on Crow. Yeah, C-Stan is bigger than Crow. Her hurt box is bigger than Crow. That's weird. Hold on real fast. Yeah, I need to fix this. Okay. I feel like that's not what you want to do, but it's like... that's what you want to do. Why does that happen sometimes? That. This feels so janky. You'd think they would cut off the first voice line to start the second one, but no. There we go. Okay. So one interesting thing I found about this move is that if you there's 3 levels. You have level 1, level 2, and the full one's level 3. A perfect level 2 is the same startup as level 1. So I think that was this move. Let me check. Yeah, it is. And it appears to be pretty easy to do as well. Like it's not a 1-frame window to get the perfect. So I wonder what the max damage combo here is. That puts that 2. Oh, it's a reset? Really? Okay. Oh, my chat might be wrong actually. Let me close this and reopen it. Because YouTube is weird. That works there. Okay, you can do it, it's just hard. Okay. Yeah. Oh man. So it's that. Oh, what is the... Okay. 11337. That's pretty tough, though. That is a little bit, a tiny itty bitty bit more damage than the easy one. Well, the slightly less annoying one, which is this one, which is still like a freaking 2-frame link. It's a little bit less damage if you do that one. If I'm mid-screen. I can do that. Okay. Are there any other routes here that are good? Hold on. Ooh, I'm hungry. I've been streaming for 5 hours, I think. Oh, well, yeah, I reset it, so I don't know how long it was exactly. But it's been a while. I'll do a little bit more labbing and then make food. Okay, what else can I... So this is like basic mid-strain. Wow. It's hard. There we go. Marvelous. Wait, that's a reset though, right? Huh. Yeah, it didn't okay, so that means it's a strong juggle thing. Okay, so there are other moves that do this. For example, if I do an overhead, every kicker has this move. I can't combo after it, right? Unless I super. I can super, but they can parry. That's what that red text means. But if I start a big juggle, such as with a BL counter, I can actually do this. And so if you look on the screen, whoops, over here, close this. This value will change, indicating that the strong, like I call it strong juggles. I don't know what the source code calls it, obviously, but basically there's a system that gets activated when you perform certain moves in certain situations, and an air BL counter sets this value to 1. See, this value is now a 1. But just on an air hit like this, that value does not get set. Right? And that will cause the properties of your moves to change. And in the case of in the case of the universal overhead, you get this weird property where it looks like they land on their feet like you would expect from an AR reset, but it's a true juggle state, which is very strange. Most moves don't do that, but it looks like. Look at that. Okay. It's not the same with that move, because it's not. They don't do an air flip. Did I note that? Yeah, it does not air reset in strong juggles. Yeah. Which is very strange. Most moves don't act that way. That might be the only move in the game that acts that way. Off the top of my head, I can't think of another one. So if you do a move that activates this this value, the strong juggle, then that move will not cause an air reset, which is very strange. Very strange. This move is needlessly complicated in terms of its juggles. I don't know why they did it this way. I much prefer KOF. In KOF, it's like, can you combo after it? Or can you not? Or in some cases, it's... they have to still be rising from the launch. They can't be falling. And also, there's some moves that ignore the rules and just always work if the opponent is airborne. And that's the whole system. It's one of my shortest YouTube videos, is the KOF juggle system. And then they made it more complicated in 15 for some unknown reason. But KOF 13 is very easy to comprehend. This game is not easy to how many pages is my juggle system? It's 7 pages long. It takes a freaking bachelor's degree in calculus to understand this game's combo system. Okay. I do not have a bachelor's degree in calculus, although I do have a bachelor's degree in software engineering. Which is how I was able to make this table, which is how I was able to understand the combo system. Okay. I can also do stupid stuff with it, like this. Okay, I'm done. Don't do that online, it'll cause a desync. Okay, the other combo I saw was this one, which is less consistent and less damage, so just get rid of it. Now, is there a combo I can do off of this? Mid-screen. Okay, that works. It's more damage than that. But yeah, okay, so that might be guaranteed more. Yeah, I think it's guaranteed higher damage. Yes. Yeah, I did. Maybe one day I'll end up injecting scripts into there to just to do more stuff with it, but not right now. Is there a better combo I can do? Oh, the distance is bad. Poke at structs. 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 I don't work with structs. Does Game Maker use structs? I think it does. But I don't think Unity does. Maybe it does. No, it calls them something else. What is a struct? It's like an object, I guess. How does Cheat Engine do that? Hold on. Oh, data structures. Oh. That's what you mean by structs. Oh. Huh. I need to look into that. I took one college course on data structures in the winter. And I didn't have a car. So I had to walk. And it was basically a full-time job for that winter. Although I had good teachers. He was actually the... what's the word? The dean of the Department of Computer Science. So he knew what he was talking about. Okay, well 2C doesn't reach. Oh. Can't dash. Stop it! Stop it! Oh, I should test this combo with the heavy kick version. Oops. It's already... oh wait, no. There we go, 82. Or just a way to group variables of any type. Oh, so it's... yeah. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I've used that in Game Maker before. But I would, like, in Unity, I would just use an object. Because object-oriented programming is good. Remove scripting. I don't know what MT framework is. I know there's a mod or like a tool for Street Fighter 4 that is very good. Like you can write your own like macros, like frame by frame macros, and you can also hack the game to run at slower speeds. Not lower frame rates, lower speeds. So you can literally see in 60 FPS what the game looks like at slower speeds. I don't remember what it was called. It was a long time ago. But most games don't let you do that. Come on. Frame trap. That's what it was. Frame trap is the one. That was before I went to college for software engineering, so I did not know what was happening. Nope, I keep doing that. Found a funny unblockable. Yeah, that game is a mess. Not quite. Oops. Nope. Why does it happen? Oh. If you hold forward, okay, I got it. It's negative on hit because Hugo is so tall. This game has that too. Oh. Well, this character's not tall enough, but... I can get it to be 0 on block, or on hit. Okay. That's interesting. 2180, 24. So you want this one anyway. Okay. Okay. Do it again. One 1630. So more. That took forever. Okay. But I want to know if there's a mid-screen combo. Okay, no way that it's gonna reach. I'm trying to beat 10,921. damage. Oh yeah, you have this move too. That move. Can't combo for it normally. Or I mean, you could do this if you wanted to, you know, lose the entire match for no reason. Why would you intentionally become minus 22? I don't understand the point of these moves. They build you resources, but then you die. So it's kind of pointless. Unless you can do this. No, you can't. Yeah, they're not high enough. Yeah. You can't do anything. You can super. You can't input things post KO, but maybe, I don't know, maybe his is an exception. Can I test that? Hit points, normal, off. Great. Oh, okay, the animation does go off. That's the one that builds that. No, it doesn't work. It doesn't work. The animation goes off, but the value doesn't get increased. Unfortunate. Uh-oh, how unfortunate. Uh-oh, how unfortunate. Ah. I mean, technically, minus 22 from this range is not. Minus 37. Yeah, minus 37 from that range is pretty bad. Minus 37. Minus 44. Minus 40. That one's faster. Oh wait, hold on. Is it because I didn't? No. Yeah. And that's the one that builds super meter. There's no EX version. I don't know. It seems like a... it feels like a training mode thing. Like, oh, I want to build a certain amount of butler beaner in training mode. So let's just add this move. Wait, that didn't do 25, did it? What is it? This one? 25. Oops, not that. Back to 0. Off. 50. 50, 50. 37. 37. 37. Okay, so it's okay. Weird. Okay. Back to looking for combos. If I land this, like I can't land. I'm too far for this. I'm not even close. That works. Oh, that'll be... Yeah, okay. If that worked, that'd be great, but that works, because, yeah. That's what I have currently. Let's try this. Too slow. That would work, I think. But that feels like a one-frame combo, so I'm trying to avoid it. It was not optimal in the previous route, so I doubt it's optimal here too. Okay, that looks like it's a corner only move. The optimally, it would be like this. This into that move, but it's not gonna reach. It's not gonna reach. That honestly, that by itself is almost enough damage to make it worth it, but it's not there yet. Alright, see you later, Ferris. Although there might be second hit, which means it won't work. Yeah, it's all because of the distance. I think I have... I think I have the optimal stuff, unfortunately. That's worse. Then just this. Yeah. I think that's all of the combos. I need to get the damage at least. Do it again. Oh, really? it is. 13922. The corner combo. Not really. Oh, I have the... Oh, god dang it. These combos use quarter forward special moves, so their damage is randomized. not literally randomized, but... Yeah, all of them do. I have to start over, but whatever. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that much. I don't like this character. He feels like he has a lot of useless moves. This move feels useless. This move feels useless. This move feels useless. This move feels useless. This move honestly feels pretty useless. It is cancelable. I guess it's not useless. And he has a lot of arbitrary stuff. Like, why does this move, when you don't parry anything, deal more damage based on how much you've been parrying? It doesn't make sense. And why does he only, like, why does the icon only affect your damage output and nothing else? And why does this move reduce your level? Nothing else you do can reduce your level. So why does your super reduce your level? I don't understand. And why does it reduce it the way it does? Why does it go from 100 to 99 to 0? That makes no sense. That feels bugged. Also, why does this wall bounce? That's so random. Why does this wall bounce? Why does that not wall bounce? Why is this 0 on block? Why does he have a first frame parry that is also a strike if it doesn't parry anything? That is 0 on block. That is a combo starter in the corner. That feels like a... And the range is like insane. It's like over half screen. That feels like an extremely bloated move. It just does everything for you. The only thing it loses to is throws and lows. And obviously they can parry it, because it's Yatagarasu. And like the fact that his heavy kick doesn't air reset, but only in certain situations, feels very unintentional. But also not very helpful in most cases. It's very rare for that to be a useful combo tool, combo extender. Like, the whole butler level mechanic feels unimportant. Because it doesn't do anything. In fact, it rewards you for doing the same types of things over and over again, and it punishes you for doing different things. So it's bad. Also, just in general, I'm not a fan of things that persist between rounds, which includes most super meters in most fighting games, including this one. And now it also includes WUGUI's butler level. I don't know. It feels very unintentional. The whole character does. But maybe there's some stuff I haven't figured out yet, but I doubt it. Same with Tianyi. Tianyi also feels very unintentional, but like in the opposite direction. It feels like they wanted her to be able to do certain things, but just the way they've balanced it is not, like, it's not worth doing those things for those purposes. So she ends up being very weak. Like, she's supposed to be a, like, suddenly I'm attacking you from full screen character. But her moves just whiff from full screen, so. And her combos don't work most of the time. And the good stuff is not only inconsistent, just based on very small changes in your position, but also very difficult to perform in general. Whereas the other characters, I feel like it's very obvious what they were trying to do. Even in the update itself, like in the same update, the singular update which added these characters, I feel like they actually made meaningful changes to the characters. Jet and Crow are the only characters that really didn't get changed. It was just damage differences. Although Crow did get a tiny difference in his Tatsu. Although I still think, I still predict that Juzumaru is the best character in the game now, because he just, I mean, Juzumaru, like, Dark Juzumaru was already strong, and then they gave him even more stuff. And no nerfs at all. So Aja also feels strong now with her. She actually has a safe on block special move, and that is incredibly powerful when you can chain your specials into each other. Because now she can threaten between safe move and overhead. Like, she has a safe overhead now. A safe overhead launcher that hits from like half screen.